Well, Efren can take the lead here.
Yes.
Well, thanks to our sponsors, JJM Land Corporation, JJM Construction Company Incorporated, Dulce Vida, Madison Scholastic Academy, and William V. Brown III.
Thank you.
Oo. Kung wala sila, wala tayo dito.
Pero pag yung mga food sponsor na hindi tayo matatapos.
Ang dami.
Nice one.
Goes to the other side, yes.
That's imagination.
Yan yung sinasabi mo nga kanina. You will not always expect what will happen there if Efren is there. Kala ko nga, very simple lang no? Doon pala sa kabila ipapasok.
Because it puts you in better position for the 2. Kaso nasa kabila naman yung 3. So, itatago muna niya.
Nako! Scratch.
You know, he's giving JB Sukal a lot of chances here. They're already guaranteed of 20,000 pesos each.
Tabla tayo, 4 racks apiece here in Pasig. Ang sinasabi mo nga kanina na maraming pagkakataon na binibigay niya kay JB Sukal.
It's up to him
to respond.
to respond, yes.
And yun, naipasok. 3 bola na lang, 7, 8, and 9.
Nilakasan niya para bumalik kagad yung pato doon sa gitna.
Oops. Medyo lumayo ng konti.
That's okay.
Pero pwede lang. Pwede
Ano
pa
lang,
naman.
just a gentle tap will do.
Lamang dito si JV. 5-4.
We've got a very tight match here.
Ang daming nagbablog
Kaya nga Hindi naman tayo yung pinag-uusapan.
All right, the winner will take home 200. The champion will take home 200,000 pesos. Second place will get 100,000 pesos. Third place will get 40,000 pesos, and the fourth placer also will get 40,000 pesos. The fifth to the eighth place will go home with 20,000 pesos, and the ninth and 16th place will take home 5,000 pesos. Again, this is the first ever Mayor Stephen Palmares 9-ball National Open Championship here in the city of Pasay. And we talked to the Honorable Mayor yesterday. Gusto niya every December to na mangyayari. And they will invite some international players to come here, Pasay, to play.
Iiwas lang niya sa mga ibang malalaking events.
But it can be done. He's been a good host. He is a good host.
Absolutely. Beyond the doubt. It's very hands-on. Very personal and personable.
Yung mga tao din ni Mayor, lahat magagaling, wala tayong problema.
Very dedicated. Very professional. Mula airport hanggang
Mula
which is about an hour away.
na naman tayo iniisip Galing airport, sa hotel,
Basically,
pagkain.
we just have to show up.
Nauna pa sa atin Tatawagan pa tayo. Hindi na kayo.
At sasamahan pa tayo sa Manila.
Oo. Pag-uwi. Nako.
Oh boy.
Giving JB Sukal the chance here. We rarely see it.
Mga dalawa. Sama-sama loob niya kasi nakakobli yung 4.
Tatago naman.
Nako,
Uy,
problema
sumobra.
to.
Again, this is race to 9.
Kung ganito lang, ubus na siya rito.
Now the winner will advance to the semis and will face Michael Feliciano later on. 5 ball is in.
Sisiyo na kay Efren to.
Oo, pero napansin natin dito simula kanina, nag-upisa itong dalawang players dito. Wala pang clean-up job no? Wala pang nag-uubos eh.
This looks
could be
like
the
one.
first. Oo.
Bawal magtira. Ito lang medyo
Dikit.
dikit lang ng konti. There you go.
Tabla. 5 all. Last 4 racks to go. Here in the quarterfinals between JV Sukal
Minimum.
and Efren Reyes.
Minimum 4 racks to go.
Oo.
Maximum of 7.
Medyo mahahaba to, Bill, kasi palitan eh. Walang nag-dominate. Wala pang nag-back to back.
Like 2-0 yata si JB.
Si JB, oo. Again, mamaya po sa semifinals, Joan Chua will face Francisco Django Bustamante. Yan po unang semifinal match natin.
Oo. Ngayon, ang iniisip ni Efren, he gets the 1, he goes after the 2. Yung 3, 4, at 6 nakakumpul dun sa kabila eh. So, what Efren's basically doing is getting JB to do the work for him. Siya na lang yung mamimitas.
Bibigyan niya ng problema. Si JV ang magsusolve.
Oo.
Uy, hindi tumama. Yan yung sinasabi mo nga kanina.
It's a test of
Binigyan
focus.
niya ng problema. Hindi nakatama si JV. Bola ngayon. Ball in hand para kay Efren Bata Reyes. Clear shot on the number 2 ball.
Yan. So he can use he can carom off the 3 to knock in the 4, but it might not leave him in good position. Tsaka dalawa yung nandun eh, baka maipit yung 6. Might not be worth the risk. Let's see. Sabi ko na eh. So he'll get the 3 and then the 6.
Pabalikin lang yung bola, no?
Very clean.
Tabla tayo, 5 racks apiece. And Efren can break the ice here.
Pinong-pino.
Oo.
Walang sayad.
Tingnan mo naman yung plastada ng cue ball papuntang 8.
And just has to make sure the cue ball is
On the right.
on either side. Pag yung gitnang-gitna, mas mahirap yan eh.
Ayan.
Yung sinasabi ko. But again, very easy for him.
Kahit sa dinami-dami ng experience ni Efren, nag-iisip pa rin eh.
Yes. Nag-iingat pa rin.
Nag-iingat eh oh.
Ayun yung
Kasi naman
lalo,
pag-
lalo na dito.
Kasi pag nagbinti siya,
He gives up the rack.
to JV. So, for a moment, hindi masyadong komportable. So, he's making sure that it will go in, and he does.
Lamang na.
Lamang na. For the first time, 6-5. Again, our sponsors, JJM Land Corporation, JJM Construction Company Incorporated, Dulce Vida, Madison's Classic Academy, William V. Brown III. Yan po mga sponsors natin. Maraming salamat po. 6-5.
Okay lang. Next time.
For the break is JV Sukal.
No luck. Oras na tayo.
Oo.
Di pa tapos.
Kaya sinasabi ko nga kanina na sa basket to par penalty ano, mahaba eh.
Pero lang foul.
Wala lang foul. At nagbe-break silang dalawa.
Ito.
Tapos na si JV Suka sa kanyang break. CR break. But I think we will wait for the magician. So it's Efren Bata Reyes now.
Nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Eh.
Lamang na si Efren dito. 6-5. Well, he started slow, Bill. 2-0 yung umpisa sa quarterfinals nilang dalawa. Sinabi nga natin kanina, it's not an easy game for both players. Parehong nagdidepensa, no? Taguan ng bola, nag-hide and seek eh.
Pag nakuha niya na tong 3, madali na yung 4, 5, and 6.
This year, just 74.
Yun. Napalakas yung cue ball.
Napalakas. Hindi siya masaya doon. Because now it changes his options with the 5.
So magbabago yung approach niya eh.
Yeah. It's the difference between going for the corner pocket and going for the side pocket.
And he's playing safety right now, giving the problem to Jamie Suko to solve.
This is a very sophisticated matchup.
Hindi na nagsusukatan sa opensa, nagsusukatan sa depensa eh, no?
They're waiting for each other to make a mistake.
Yes.
Napaganda. Then he can advance the cue ball towards the 6.
Side pocket is good for the Magician, who represented the Philippines in the World Cup of Pool, winning multiple times 2006 and 2009.
I once tried to make a list of all the tournaments that Efren has won, and I stopped at 2 pages.
Parang wala na.
Pag mas madali bilangin yung hindi niya napapanalunan
Hindi
pa
niya
eh.
napapanalunan.
Kasi minsan naman sabay-sabay kasi yan.
Oo.
So you choose which one.
Kasi
you know,
3 days lang eh, no?
Oo. Well, and besides, hindi naman nag-uusap yung mga organizer. May laro sa Europe, may laro sa
malayo
US.
pa.
Oo. Meron sa Japan.
O, depende na sa iyo kung saan ka sasali.
Yes.
Kasi it is still money game.
It could be a question of prize money. It could be a question of who else is playing.
Oh.
But could be also good. This could be also good position. Because he's going to angle it anyway.
Nice. Manipis na pina.
Yes.
Oh, tamang-tama lang yung bandang bola ng cue ball. Hindi masyadong mahirap.
Can you believe this deal on Lazada? This item is only 12.0 pesos. Guess what? It ships for free too. Come and join the fun shopping experience at Lazada.
Seven to 5 now, Bill Velasco. In
2 more
favor
runs
of
for
the
Efren.
Magician.
Can I dial a friend?
Grabe si Efren, no? Nakafocus eh.
Yeah. Ito na, seryoso na.
So, for the break, you know, Efren Bata Reyes holds the most titles in the tournament's history. Sabi mo nga kanina eh.
Which tournament? All of them?
All of them. Mas, he secured numerous titles across different categories. The 9-ball, 1-pocket, bank pool in Derby City Classic.
Pumasok yung 5. Pero pangit yung pwesto ng 1.
Uy,
Pinasa na lang niya.
tinago na lang niya.
Nakadikit eh. Doable but difficult. Ayan, gumagaya na. Kita pa rin pero mahirap.
Pagbanda na yan. Oops! Yun, grabing tago. Mahirap yun, Bill, kasi nakadikit siya sa rail.
Sa gabal eh. Baka tumabingi.
Taguan na naman sila.
This is a gimme. Could be. Alanganin. He did that because even if he could get the 1, yung 2, alanganin ng pwesto.
Alam mo si JV, napakabilis mag-isip eh. Diretso kagad tira eh.
And he's also being conservative.
Now it's Efren's turn.
He can get the 2 and then the cue ball can clear a path for the 3. Or just play it safe.
Now his service to field. He is leading 7-5 here in the quarterfinal game.
Yan yung sinasabi ko. Kahit makuha ni JB itong 2, hindi niya makukuha yung 3.
Pahirapan sila, no?
It's a very strategic contest. Ano rin to, nakakapagod din. Ha?
Alam mo,
Oh boy.
taguan sila eh. Hide and seek nga, sabi mo nga kanina. You have to admire the strategic mind of JV Sukal also.
Oo.
Oh? You can hear the crowd say, ooh.
They understand what's going on.
At saka ang daming tao dito, Bill.
And that they're very quiet. No? Nauunawaan nila eh. Na kailangan ng katahimikan.
Nueve, pasok.
Goodbye.
Yes! That was a fatal mistake there by JV Sukal. It's 8-5 now.
One more.
One more rack for or the magician Efren Bata Reyes.
To be fair, JB has had his opportunities. Pero si Efren yung
Kalaban.
kalaban. He maximizes his opportunities better.
Again, the champion will get 200,000 pesos. Second place will get 100,000.
Ito,
Third
medyo-
place, 40,000 pesos.
If you look at the way, JB holds himself, parang nawawala na siya ng loob eh. Shaking his head, doesn't have the same swagger. No. He looks a little deflated at this point. So got the one. But the two is not in a good place. Nako, nagkamali yata siya rito. But knowing Efren, he'll play it conservatively because the 3 is covered.
Let's see what he will do. Nako, pero tinago. Pero pwede eh.
Hindi, ang problema doon, yung 3.
Oh, yung 3 malayo.
You don't have access to the 3. Ito, sakit ng ulo na naman to para kay JB. Oops.
Oops.
That was
Yan lang yung
very fine. No? Okay, kwento nga si Efren tsaka si Django.
pasok. Galing.
Nice. Next problem will be the 5. After he gets this. Kailangan bumalik nung cue ball.
Malakas. Yun. Oh, yung bounce lang ano.
Then he has to get it now across the table to access the 6. After that, it would be easy.
Oh, masyadong malakas.
Again, impatience of youth. Mapusok.
That's the risk he has to
Yeah.
take. And Efren
Efren
will
goes side
capitalize on
pocket,
it.
lines it up with the 6, then that's it. That was a crucial error. Pero sabi nga natin, pag bata, they will learn. It might be painful, but they will learn.
17 years old pa eh. Taguan na naman sila.
Hindi pinapadali eh. Okay. May puwang. May puwang yung 5.
Let's see what Efren will do here. Oh, very soft shot there by Efren.
Well, with the distance, he has a better angle on the 6. He gets the 6, this is over.
Oh! Para yung dalawa eh, no?
Napatayo ka agad si JB. Si Efren
Nawawala
parang nag-aalit eh. Ano ba yan?
Nawawala.
Inalat. Big break here for JB.
Yun.
Easy cleanup. Masakit yun, ha? Uy,
Delikado.
dikit na naman.
This could be a cleanup job for JB.
Matindi ang dasal
JB.
niya no, nung nagkamali siya doon sa 5. No?
All right, 8-6.
Now, his thinking is changing. Pwede pa.
Ang break naman dito ay si
Sino?
Efren. Efren Bata Reyes.
It's a very technical match. Walang madali eh. If you're really a student of the game, you really appreciate it. Okay.
Was it a good break, Bill?
Yes, it was. He is continues to have command of the table. He has a line to the 1.
Ay, nako. Oh, pasok. Scratch pa.
Ito siya, nagulat. Very uncharacteristic misses.
Ball in hand now.
Pero nakangiti pa siya.
Nakakangiti na may halong
Ngiwi.
unhappiness. Parang yung mga mali nila parehong-pareho eh, no?
No copying. Okay, he has the 3. He has to open, leave it open for the 4 on the far rail. Eto, dito siya nagkakaproblema. Pag medyo manipis,
Ayun na,
Finesse.
makikita mo naman yung ano eh,
napapakamot siya. Eh.
yung body language.
Yes, he would have preferred
Gesture.
the cue ball to be more parallel to the 4. Now he has to send it all the way around to get the line on the 5. Ayun.
Yun.
Sabi ko na eh.
Pareho yung mga mali nila, no?
Well, no, Efren's mistakes are more, miscalculations.
Well, ito naman si JV, yung mga nagre-risk.
Oo, tsaka mas simple yung mga pagkakamali niya gaya nung 5 kanina.
Yung kay, ano naman, yung si JV, nagre-risk go ba?
Oo. Ubus siya rito. Kailangan lang bumalik ng cue ball with the 7. Ayan. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina. More parallel.
Oo. Ito yung, hindi, baliktad. Pwede niyang yung bola sa kabila para diretso na sa 9.
Basta pag
Mahirap.
basta pagitnain lang niya uli para
Ginawa niyo ito kanina eh.
yung 8 tsaka 9 madali na. Yan o. Yes, a direct
Let's
line.
see what he will do. JV Sukal.
Yung mga ngaw-ngaw na.
Ididiretso niya yung 8.
There you go.
And listen to the crowd.
May naaamoy na sila. The People's Champion. Ubo. Pinahirap pa. Yung ginawa niya kahapon. Pinahirap pa. Yan din kahapon eh.
Oh, ginawa niya yung
Doon pa lang
kahapon.
pupusta na ako eh.
Hindi. Hindi na siya titira.
Respeto. Good fight for JB.
Papaulit muli.
Sapay. Take 2.
Kahapon, ganun din eh.
Oh, take 2. That's the difference between billiards and other sports.
Yung respeto.
Yung respeto tsaka yung mga ganito, kasiyahan lang ha.
Kala natin sumemplang pero sinadya talaga.
Oo. Pasok. Oh yeah. Woo! That's the magician.
That's Efren Bata Reyes.
And he goes on to the semifinals, partner.